The next time you open a bottle of nail polish and brush on that perfect color, consider this. You participate in a tradition that stretches back over 5,000 years. Nail polish has never been just about beauty. It has served as a marker of status, power, and identity across civilizations. Welcome to Objectified, where we explore the stories behind everyday objects. Today we examine the role of nail polish in beauty. This small bottle holds a surprisingly rich history that reveals much about culture, innovation, and self-expression. The story begins thousands of years ago in ancient civilizations. In Babylonia, around 3200 BC, warriors colored their nails with coal in shades of black and green. They did this before battle to signal rank and perhaps intimidate enemies. A solid gold manicure set discovered in archaeological digs shows how seriously they took nail care. In ancient Egypt, people used henna to stain nails. Women of lower classes wore lighter or neutral tones, while the elite chose deep, bold reds. Queens, such as Nefertiti and Cleopatra, favored ruby or blood red hues. These colors symbolized power, vitality, and divine status. Pharaohs and nobles displayed their painted nails as signs of wealth and leisure. Around the same time, in ancient China, the first true nail polish appeared near 3000 BC high society. Mixed egg whites, gelatin, beeswax, gum arabic, and vegetable dyes from flowers. They soaked nails for hours to achieve shiny pink to red finishes. By the Zhou dynasty, around 600 BC, royalty added gold and silver dust. Long decorated nails and protective guards became ultimate symbols of status. Anyone outside the elite faced severe punishment for imitating them. Nail polish evolved dramatically over centuries. For much of history, people relied on natural dyes and stains. The modern version arrived in the early 20th century. Inspired by glossy automobile paints, companies developed lacquers using nitrocellulose. Cutex introduced Bruchon liquid polish around 1917, first in colorless, then rose-tinted forms. Revlon followed in 1932 with vibrant colors that brought nail polish to the masses. Innovation accelerated from there. The 1950s saw brands like Revlon launch iconic campaigns that made certain shades trendsetters. Acrylic nails emerged in the 1950s when a dentist adapted dental materials for extensions. Gel polishes and UV-cured formulas appeared in the 2000s, offering longer wear and chip resistance. Shellac and dip powders followed, giving options for durability without traditional drying time. Today, the industry embraces cleaner formulas. Many brands remove harmful chemicals and focus on eco-friendly, non-toxic ingredients. Social media drives rapid trends from minimalist nudes to elaborate nail art. Celebrities and influencers turn nails into statements, with techniques like chrome finishes or glazed effects going viral overnight. Nail polish carries deep cultural meaning across societies. In ancient times, color indicated hierarchy. Red often represented life, luck, or authority. In some Asian cultures, specific shades held symbolic value, such as red for good fortune or black for prosperity. In modern contexts, nail polish becomes a tool for self-expression and identity. It allows people to challenge norms, celebrate individuality, or mark personal milestones. During certain movements, bold nails have symbolized rebellion or empowerment. In professional settings, a neat manicure conveys polish and attention to detail. Across the globe, nail art incorporates traditional motifs, blending heritage with contemporary style. Here are some surprising details. The most expensive nail polish ever created contains real black diamonds and costs hundreds of thousands of dollars. French tips, often seen as classic, were actually popularized in the United States, not France. Nail polish can last longer when stored in the refrigerator to prevent thickening. Ancient Chinese royals grew nails so long they needed guards to protect them, proving they performed no manual labor. Nail polish remains far more than cosmetic. It connects us to ancient rituals of status and beauty while offering endless ways to express who we are today. The next time you choose a shade, remember you join a lineage that spans empires, innovations, and personal stories. If this video deepened your appreciation for nail polish, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Objectified for more deep dives into the objects that shape our lives. Turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Tell us in the comments, what does nail polish mean to you? Which historical fact surprised you most? We read every comment. Thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.